Last segment is on hypothesis testing. Let's take a look at our steps in the hypothesis testing process. First, we've got to state our hypothesis, our relation that we're going to test. Then we have to select some sort of test statistic. What are we going to calculate in order to perform this test? We need to specify the level of significance. We'll talk more about that. And then state the decision rule for the hypothesis. That is, if the test statistic is greater than this number right here, we're going to reject our null hypothesis. Once we've done that, we collect the sample data, we calculate the statistics, and then we make our decision based on our decision rule and the results of our calculations from the sample. And then we make a decision based on the test results. So a decision about the hypothesis and then maybe a decision about invest is kind of whether things go up or down, right? If a price goes up, each day we'll give it a plus. Each day it goes down, we'll give it a minus. Well, if these changes are random, we can look at the probabilities of getting like 5 positives in a row or 6 negatives in a row. Also, very often use rank correlation tests. A rank correlation test is a test of correlation, but it's based on the rank from one period to the next. We could do this with mutual funds. List 20 mutual funds in order in terms of their performance each quarter and see if their rank in terms of performance in one quarter is a good predictor of their rank in terms of performance in the next quarter. If it's just random, we might see a zero correlation. If funds that do well in one quarter really tend to do well relative to their peers in the next quarter, then we'd see positive rank correlation. But again, this is based on ranks, not values of returns or anything. So it's a non-parametric test. So that wraps up our segment on hypothesis testing.